right? We run queries to answer questions. We've got a question, let's run some queries on some data. The time to answer a query is the data management process plus the query response time. If the query response takes 5 seconds to run, but it took me a year to get the data, that's a year and 5 seconds. I don't really care about the query response time. Right, time to answer questions is important. Therefore, this data management process to get the data in a place where I can ask the question is important. Right, we want that as short as possible. Similarly, the cost to answer a question is the cost of the data management process plus the query cost to answer the question. It's basically the other side of the same coin, right? And this is important because what we do with data at the moment, we think about from a cost and a value perspective. But do we? So I'm going to move some data from an operational system to an analytical system. What's that worth? I'm going to spend a load of money doing that, building pipelines, having some data engineers to do the work. What's it worth? And the way we do it today is we spend all the money and then we figure out the value, right? Which is rubbish as an approach. And I would suggest that every company does this. Again, I'd love to hear if there's a company that doesn't do this, that doesn't bring all the data from the operational system into the analytical side and then figure out the value. Because I haven't seen any yet.